Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to BK Mathematics. And we are given this is geometry problem that we are given. It reads find the value of x and y in the diagram. This is the diagram that we are given A, B, C, and D. We are having 3x plus 10. We are having 100 degree, x degree, and y degree. Then we have to find the value of x and y in this diagram. Then to start with, we see solution. But first, just let's identify the diagram. If you look at the diagram, automatically we can say this is the exterior angle is equal to the opposite interior. We have the interior and we have the exterior angles. Now, if you look, we say this is the exterior angle. Automatically, we say the exterior angle, that is, we say the exterior angle 3x plus 10 is equals to the opposite interior. This and this are the opposite interior, and if they are the opposite interior, they are equal to each other. So 100 plus x. Then the reason being we say the exterior angle, because geometry you always give reason to satisfy your condition. We say the reason being, we say the exterior angle, we say the exterior angle equals the interior angles. Okay, you always try to give your reason why 3x plus 10 is equals 100 plus x. The reason being the exterior angles is equals to the interior angles. Now we want to find value of x here. Automatically we just need to collect like terms. Then this one becomes, we say 3x, when x is moving to this point, becomes minus x is equals, what remains in this part is just 100. This is plus 10. If plus 10 is moving to this other point, becomes minus 10. Now we have 3x minus x is equals 100 minus 10 giving you 90, and 3x minus x, this one giving you 2x is equals 90. Now we divide both side by 2, Why are we dividing both side by 2? Because we want to find the value of x. Then x here becomes 90 divided by 2. We know 90 divided by 2 giving you 45 degree. So it means the value of x here becomes 45 degree. Let's try to find the value of y also and see. Now if you want to find the value of y, we say now finding y. So now finding y. You want to find the value of y. Let's look at the diagram again. Let's look at the diagram. Now, this is y that we want to find. If you want, you can apply, you can say, you can add 100 plus x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. The reason being the sum of angles in a triangle. Or if you want, you can say y plus 3x plus 10 equals 180 degrees. We know y and 3x plus 10, they are on straight lines, so they also equal to 180 degrees. So you can use any of the two alternatives. You're going to have the same answer for the value of y. So we say now we want to find y. Now we say y plus 100 plus x, then everything becomes 180 degrees. The reason being, we say sum of angles, sum of angles in a triangle. But we know the value of x already as, but x is equals 45 degrees. Now we substitute now for us to have the value of y. We say y plus 100 plus 45, then everything becomes 180 degrees. We know 100 plus 45 giving you 145. We say 145 is equals 180 degrees. Now to find the value of y, we know this 145 is moving to this point. Then the value of y here becomes 180 minus 145. So therefore the value of y here becomes 35 degrees respectively. So this is the value of y that we have to find. Let's look at the alternative method also. Maybe you don't want to use this method. If you don't want to use this method, let's look at the alternative method. Let's look at it here. Let's say alternative. Let's look at the alternative method. Now the alternative method, let's look at the diagram again and see. Maybe you don't want to use this method. Now let's look at the diagram again and see. Let's say y plus 3x plus 10. Now we say y plus 3x plus 10, then everything becomes 180 degrees. It's very simple. This also, it has a reason, because angles on ST line, meaning straight line. Say angles on straight line. Then if this equal 180, but we know x is equals 45 degrees. We already have x as 45 degrees. We substitute now. This we say y plus 3 into 45 plus 10, then everything becomes 180 degrees. Then we multiply. We say y plus 3 times 45, it is 135. Okay, plus 10 is equals 180 degrees. Then y plus 135 plus 10, 145 is equals 180 degrees. You want to find the value of y, then y then becomes 180 minus 145. Here the value of y also becomes 35 degrees respectively. So you're going to have the same answer. Any of the two alternatives you use, you're going to have the same answer. So the value of x becomes 45 degrees and the value of y becomes 35 degrees respectively. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share for others to benefit. Okay, love you more.